In my last video, I was emotional, and rightfully so. I have no one in my, small environment that believe in crypto as much as I do, who understand as much as I do. And I feel this is one of the last, I feel it is the last opportunity to buy utility crypto at such a low price. Anything under 50 cents is a score. So I've been working extra hours to take any little extra money I have, 25 here, 50 there, to buy crypto. That's how I'm going to set myself up to become a part of the next generation of multimillionaires. With that being said, what am I doing on this beautiful Sunday day? I'm doing what I wouldn't want to do anything else right now. It's a beautiful day. I have my health. I have a dependable car, and I'm going to get out there to Spark and some Uber Eats. But Spark, I get a batch. I get paid instantly through the Mobile One app. And I can spend that money immediately through my Apple Pay to buy crypto. And that's what I plan on doing today. So stay tuned, and I'll show you how I'm buying crypto using Coinbase, and I'm paying for the crypto I'm buying with the One Bank mobile app, because once I complete a job, I get paid instantly, and I can spend that money instantly through my Apple Pay. Stay tuned. Yesterday and today, I worked Spark to earn extra income. And earning that extra income, I want to take half of that to purchase crypto. Because I got paid instantly, I can spend it instantly from my One Bank mobile app. I'm going to go to Coinbase. I'm going to go to buy. I want to buy XLM. One-time order. I'm going to show you something. I'm going to type in $52, and I'm going to preview the order. Do you see the $2.99 Coinbase fee? When I buy it lately, I'll buy it at $51. Preview order. Do you see the Coinbase fee? $1.99. Okay, now I want to change pay with checking account. No. When I choose the payment method, I'm brought to my Apple Pay. And the one I'm using is the One MasterCard. That one is checked. That's the banking mobile app, the One Banking mobile app that I received my instant pay in to spend immediately. It's available immediately, and that's why I worked this weekend. I wanted to earn extra income. I wanted to receive instant pay in my One Bank mobile app, so I could spend it immediately to buy crypto off of Coinbase, and then I'm going to transfer that crypto to my cold wallet. That's how I'm doing it. Whenever I feel like earning extra income, I'm taking half of it and I'm buying crypto at super low prices.